Now going to talk about the topic is HTML tables. Already you know what is table. Table contains the form of grid, that is rows and columns. Okay. The table tag defines HTML table. If you want to display a table format in our web page means we can use HTML tables tag. Each table row defined with TR, that is table row. Then each table header is defined with the TH, that is table head. Each table contain heading and description. Okay. Then TD, each table data or cell is defined with the tag TD. If you want to add table in web pages means in table tag contains main three. One is table row, second one is table head, third one is table data. By default, the text in table head H element, that is TH elements, are bold and centered. TD elements are regular and left aligned. The next one is to add a border to a table means we have to use CSS, that is cascading style sheet border property. Okay. Then how to use border property means table T head T data, that is table data. In between border 1 solid black, the 1 pixel, that's why we are representing px, then solid black color. We can use any color, black, blue, green, or anything else we want. Which one is you like most, you add it that colors. Next one is HTML table and cell padding. Cell padding specifies the space between cell content and its border. If you want to leave some space between border and cell means we have to use this padding property. This is also table head, table data, that is th, td, padding 50 px. Normally default table headings are bold and center. If you want to change the alignment means we have to use CSS text align property. Then how to represent means text align colon left. Next one is add border spacing. If you want to add border spacing means space, that is spacing means space between the cells. Okay. If to set the border spacing for a table, we can use CSS border spacing property. Border spacing property is whatever we measure the values, that space will be appeared in the table. If you want to join the columns, the merge means we can use span property. If you want to join columns means call span. If you want to join a row means row span. To make a cell span more than one column means use call span attribute. Here are two headings, one is name, another one is telephone. But name, if you want to merge two columns for telephone means here I am representing call span equal to 2. So two columns join together. Likewise, we use these properties in tables form. Next, we have to discuss how to use these properties in table form, and then whatever we will get the result, we will see one by one. Already created some tables, just I open for you. You try it yourself. Here I am using normal HTML, then header. In this head tag I am used style property, that is table thtd border. Here I am using solid green color. Then close the style property. After that close the head property. After that body. In body I am using style property for color, background color. then table with border. After that, some sentence I can add it. CSS border property, how to use, that is some content. After that, I am representing here with value style with equal to 100%. Then row, first row contain heading, that is first name, last name, age. Then second row representing values, that is table data. So here representing TD, here representing heading, so I am representing table head tag, th tag. After that, table data, so TD tag. Then the next row also TD, so represent TD. Finally, I am closing the table, then body tag, then HTML tag. Just to save the program. After that, I opened with the browser. Here background color tomato color I am used, so table with border representing background color. After that, some table form, heading, first name, last name, then age. After that, TD, that is table data values representing one by one. These content representing in the table form. This is one of the example. The next example is notepad. Here also I am using style property, border collapse. Then padding. Padding means to give some space between cell and content. Then how to represent. Here also I am using span property. That is, if you want to join or merge columns or rows, means we can use columns, call span property as well as row span property. Here I am using for telephone, call span equal to 2. We will see and the result what will be the output in web page. Okay, just to save it. After that, I opened in browser. Here this is 2 columns. In this space I am representing telephone. Before that, call span equal to 2. That's why these 2 columns join together. Only it will display only one column. Okay. The next example is here also I am using style property, border, padding, alignment, text align. Okay, normally and table head representing bold and centered. If you want to change the alignment left, means we can use text align property. Here also using row span. Okay, last example I used call span, that is column merged together. In this example I am using row span to join rows. Just save the program. Here also table heading only name and data, that is only one data. After that, row span 2, that's why representing telephone. Then 2 values representing here. Just to save the program. After that, the output will be displayed here. Last exercise, joining 2 columns. Here joining the 2 rows. Okay, so row span equal to 2. This is example. I hope all of you understand how to use tables and what are the attributes and tags used in this tables. Thank you.